To erase objects from photos in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, we'll need to open a photo where we want to erase the object. So in this case, let's go for this photo right here. We're gonna go for this drive right here and we'll try to remove it. We can click on this icon in the middle right here. You'll need to make sure that you have internet connection to make it work, and also I think you need to have your Samsung account logged in. When it's done, you can click on the object eraser and then select, it will select the objects on the photo automatically, or you can draw a specific line on the object that you want to remove. So now it should highlight it, and then we can erase it. This will also generate a background for the object that we just removed, and as you can see, it works fine. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.